Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, July the 22nd, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus. We solve it again, yes, and 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. It's time for the binary time. Yes, boys and girls, binary time. Number 4894. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first row column, so the rest are O's. Then. Well. Now I need to think. Need to compare, maybe. Yeah. I need to compare the rows, I believe. 010, we have 010 here. Yeah, this row and that row. 1, 0, empty box, 0, 1, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Great binary. Only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.